Balikot siya.
Pwede both.
Mas marami yata yung tinutoyo.
Fall in love with a passion.
Chocolate or candy?
Chocolates.
Balikot siya.
Candy.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Candy. Chocolate.
Follow your heart or follow your brain?
Follow your heart.
Follow your wholeness.
Follow your heart.
Follow your brain.
Brain.
Follow your brain. Follow your brain.
Nagbibigay ng advice or nakikinig?
Nakikinig.
Ay, parehas lang. Kailangan ko din minsan ng advice.
Nakikinig.
Tagabigay ng advice.
Tagabigay ng advice.
Both. Most likely, tagabigay ng advice. Nakikinig lang.
Quality time or thoughtful gifts?
Quality time.
Quality gifts.
Quality time.
Quality time.
Pwede both.
Quality time. Quality time.
Sorpresa or planado?
Planado.
Laging planado.
Sorpresa.
Planado.
Planado.
Planado. Planado.
Handwritten letters or long messages?
Long text messages.
Video greetings.
Long text message.
Handwritten letters.
Long text messages.
Handwritten letter. Long text messages.
Giver or receiver?
Giver.
Both lang.
Giver.
Receiver.
Giver.
Giver. Giver.
Tinotoyo or tagasuyo?
Tinotoyo.
Mas tinutoyo ako.
Tinutoyo.
Parang both. Mas marami yata yung tinutoyo.
Tagasuyo.
Tagasuyo. Tinutoyo.
Falling in love with a person?
Parang pareho.
Falling in love with a person.
With passion.
With a passion.
Falling in love with a passion. Falling in love with a passion.